Hi all of you, in this video I am going to show you arrays, how to create array in JavaScript. So let's get start my video. First let me make a new file. My this file will be 35th file. Okay, so let me make a new file. First hash 35.html. It is comma, let me write it dot. So yeah, first is to insert my boilerplate and let me do toggle word wrap, and in the next video I will be going to show you that how to create a switch case in JavaScript. Okay, so the video will be next of switch case. So let me first insert your script inside head tag. Okay, script for JavaScript. So now how to make array. So let me use let instead of var, and now let me make a variable like super, not super, just car. Okay, I always take this variable. So and now you can do like this, use these brackets. Okay, now in this brackets you can take like let me write some like gtr, and now comma, and now like m5. Let me write in double inverted commas m5. Okay, and now what will be the like 911. Okay, 911 Carrera. Okay, it's Carrera. Okay, and now which car should be there? I think Challenger. Okay, Challenger. I think these are enough. Now let me take one more like Charger. Okay, they both are cousins, but let me take them. Okay, now it's enough for now. So like let me first print it. Okay, console dot log. Now in this I'll write like car. Okay, now let me insert semicolon as well. Yeah, let me write here semicolon as well. Now it's time to save by pressing ctrl plus s, and now it's time to go live. Now you can see that array 5. Let me first refresh to remove this live reload enabled. Now you can see that GTR M5 911 Carrera Challenger Charger. This is your array. Okay, if you play this button you can see GTR M5. Let me go here, GTR M5 911. So it is showing you length as well. Length is 5, and why 5? Because it is also counting 0 0 1 2 3 4, sorry 1. If you count like this 1 2 3 4 5, so these are 5. Okay, and GTR index is 0. Okay, so you should always remember that. Now you can see that length is 5 and prototype is array. In the last video you see that there is no indexing in object while creating object. Okay, but there it is, and no, also not, it is not showing length, it is showing was just the prototype, that is object. Okay, now if I want to add something, let me add something more. Here I can add like using one thing. Let me show you, let me scroll little bit down. Now I can do like this, like car dot push. Okay, car dot push, in curly in these parentheses I can write like which car should I write? Let me think a little. Camaro. Okay, Camaro. So now you can see that I have inserted Camaro. So let me see it. It is not showing. Why? Because I haven't refreshed. Let me do refresh. Now you can see that there is no Camaro, but if I open this, okay, now you can see that your length is now increased to 6 and your Camaro is added. Okay, so this is a one way of creating a array. Okay, now let me show you another way of creating new array. Okay, new array. Okay, new array. Now let me comment it down for you all. Now you can do like, let which variable should I take, like lang for languages. Okay, lang is equal to like new. Okay, array. Okay, array. Yeah, so I can use parenthesis for this, and here I'll write like let me single inverted commas Java. Okay, Java. Now JavaScript. Okay, and let me write in single inverted commas JavaScript. Okay, now it's time to add like a Python. Okay, now let me add another one like which should I take, like Golang. Golang is pretty much booming right now. Okay, so I have created a new array, so let me print as well, console dot log. Now open parenthesis and my lang. Okay, lang. So now let me show you how it is looking now. So let me first refresh. Okay, let me go down. So you can see Java, JavaScript, Python, Golang. Okay, now you can see that this is also a method to create an array. Okay, you can create by this as well. So there is another one I want to show you. You can say a function of array, but I don't know what is that. I want to show you like you can do like, you can sort array. So how can you sort array? Like let me add some more languages name here, like let me write like HTML. For that, it is not programming language, but I am writing anything like CSS. Okay, and here like anything like React. Okay, now here Angular. Okay, it is not in single inverted commas. Okay, let me write it. Yeah, so I think this is enough. Let me write Vue as well. Vue, these are your framework of web development. Let me write like Flask. Okay, Flask. So I think this is enough for now. Let me save it. Now you can use like sort array as well, like sort function, not array. It is type of a function. Let me show you that you can use like lang is your variable. You can see here lang. So lang is equal to lang dot sort. Okay, and now this parenthesis. Okay, let me show you, these are your parentheses. Yeah, so if I see this, let me do refresh. So now you can see that this is Java, JavaScript, Python, Golang, and if I open this, so now you can see that it is sorted. Okay, first is your Angular. Okay, after that let me do CSS A C F G H J pi, not pi, it's P R V. So these are now your sorted. Okay, sorted in an alphabetical orders. Okay, also I can sort this as well if I want to. Let me just sort for you as well. So when you see this code in the description, so you can memorize it well and you can understand it well. So let me write like car is equal to car dot sort. Okay, sort, now parenthesis. Now it's time to add semicolon. Okay, now let me write here as well semicolon. So yeah, so now my work is over. So let me do this. If I open this, now you can see that 9 is above and after that Camaro, now Challenger, now Charger, because these three of them are starts from C, so CA, okay. So now you can see that GTR, now M5. So these are also sorted in alphabetical order. Also I can do, like, let me make a new array for you all, just to show you, not new array, just for anything. Let num, okay, num is equal to, like, let me make new array, okay, for you all, new array. And like in this I'll write like 1, not 1, 99, 66, okay, 77, now 33, now 22, comma, now 11, now 55, okay, 55, now 88. So this is my you can say, these are my values in my array, okay. So let me print it as well, console dot log. Now in this I'll write like num, okay, num, now semicolon. Now it's time to sort it as well. Num is equal to num dot sort, okay, sort. VS Code is also suggesting. Now it's time to add parenthesis as well. Now let me show you, okay. Now let me first refresh. Now you can see that if I open this, so you can see that 11 is coming first, but you can see here 11 is at the place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 is at the 4th place, but you can see here it is at the 0, because my array is now sorted, okay, sorted in your numerical form, starting from, it is like in ascending order, okay. So now let me show you, you can see that here. So I think you all now understand this concept, okay, of array, and just practice this stuff, and I will be implementing this array object, and also your switch case, if else, your all concepts in my upcoming project, okay. So this project will be on the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so it will be more helpful for you all, okay. So I will be meeting you in my next video.